Hi, my name is Gianluca Spezza. I am a professor here at the Department of Social Sciences and the director for the Center for Korean Studies in the Middle East at AUIS. The center is the latest step we have taken in promoting a bridge between the region and the most dynamic part of the globe, which is, of course, East Asia. It is an effort to give an opportunity, unique in Iraq and in Kurdistan and in neighboring countries, for young people to not only appreciate the culture, the history, and the politics of Korea and soon to Japan, China, but also to actually experience the place. As a matter of fact, 2 students each year from our courses in Korean studies are selected to go to Korea on a field trip for 2 weeks. The scholarships we have in place, thanks to a generous grant by the Academy of Korean Studies and the Korean government, fund the studies for 2 people each year at the US in the Department of International Studies and International Relations. We want to do this because we believe in matching theory with practice, and particularly for those who want to major in international relations, we are expanding constantly our reach towards East Asia with courses in political economy, geopolitics, international relations, the understanding of international organizations, aid, and development. So I would encourage every student and every family to consider a career in international relations with a degree from AUS. Thank you very much.